Hello beauty people, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can create a promo code on your Wix website. So once you are in a Wix dashboard and then here search for coupon and then click on this coupons. Now here you can see right now there is no coupon, so we are going to make a coupon. So let's click on new coupon. And then here you can see select the type of coupon you want to offer. So here you can see different type of coupon. So we are going to add a percentage discount. Let's click on that. And then here write your coupon code. Here you can add coupon name. Now here the discount amount. So we are going to add 25% discount and then apply to. You can apply this 25% discount all of your product, and you can add specific product or specific category. So we are going to add this coupon for all products in our store and then apply once per product. So apply to each eligible item the order. So apply once per order to the lowest price item. So you can include subscription. Just click on this. Customer will use this coupon for one-time purchase and for every recurring purchase. So you can add the expiry date on this coupon. Let's click on this and you can add the expiry date. So limit user. So limit the total number of user for this coupon. You can add a limit for how many number of user can use this coupon, or you can limit to one user per customer. So let's click on create coupon and the coupon is created. So this is how you can create a coupon promo code on your Wix website. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.